What's happening, audiophiles? Peter Von Panda here. Just got this lavalier microphone. As you can see here, it's pretty standard, but I wanted to try this out. It's a clip-on microphone for smartphones, which is what I generally use to record my videos here. But I wanted to see if I could get this working with my iPhone here and record audio and improve that audio quality. I've tried different lavalier microphones. I've always generally been happy with them. You know, they definitely up the game. Whether or not they're better than some of the built-in microphones is yet to be seen, but you know, I just like the idea of having more localized audio pickup capability, you know, especially if you're in a crowded place. Now, first of all, you get this little velvet-like drawstring bag, which is kind of nice. I also have this little fuzzy windsock in here, so you've got that too. We also have one of the larger adapters here, the 3.5 millimeter to kind of the bigger audio plug. We have a micro USB cable right there, so presumably you're gonna have to charge this sucker up. And then we have, wow, long cord here, so you should be able to get good range. You know, if you're doing a podcast or something, look at all of that cord. And then we have an inline device right here. It says Pixel MK1. Looks like that's where you charge it up. We have a slider switch right there, cameras, off, smartphone. We've got a little metal alligator clip on that side for attaching this to your lapel. And then we actually have a fairly long cord here to the lapel mic itself, so you could certainly kind of clip this to your waistband, it looks like, and run this up through your shirt. And another little alligator clip up here. We have one of the regular foam windsocks. If I just pull this off here, you can see a pretty standard looking lavalier microphone right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on here. And
got the lavalier microphone plugged into my Mac Pro over here and just shooting with the Logitech webcam. Don't confuse the quality of the webcam in the video with the quality of the audio. So I've got it obviously just attached here to my shirt where you'd kind of normally put it. I love how small it is. It is really, really small. And I didn't do anything with the settings. I just plugged it in and I thought I'd just record. And you can be the judge of what you think the quality of this lavalier microphone is. I will tell you that it has, as I showed you, just cordage galore. So you could probably set out 10, 15 feet away from the camera, have this on there, you know, have really good audio quality, like there's a microphone right there, a boom mic or something, and still have multiple people in the picture, have a lot of people in the picture, maybe frame out something in the background, whatever, you know, even do an interview or something like that. So it's really great. I love the fact that, you know, the old school wired microphones are really easy, plug and play, no latency, no connecting of wireless devices or anything like that. So this is an audio test of this lavalier microphone. If you want to pick one up, I will put a link to it in the description. It is the Pixel MK1, as you might be able to see right there, and really easy to use. I love it. I'm going to have it on my desk here so that if I need to do some stuff where I'm just sitting back, relaxing, and worried about having my mic on my boom or something like that in front of me, you know, I can just do it this way. Check it out. Peter Von Panda. Out.